Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel, Tidy Home Solutions, where we simplify your space and your life. Today, I'm super excited to share 5 minimalist decor ideas that will completely transform your walls and give your home that sleek, elegant look. So let's dive right in. First up, we have the classic large-scale art piece. Choose an oversized painting or photograph that speaks to you. This not only serves as a focal point, but also keeps the area uncluttered and clean. Remember, in a minimalist setup, less is more. Next, let's talk about mirrors. Adding a large framed mirror can make your space feel bigger and brighter. It's a functional piece that also adds a touch of sophistication. Place it strategically to reflect natural light and watch your room instantly light up. Moving on, consider installing floating shelves. These are perfect for displaying just a few cherished items. Keep it simple with some green plants or a couple of books. The key here is not to overcrowd the shelves. It's all about that airy, open feeling. For our fourth idea, think about a minimalist wall clock. Choose one with a sleek, modern design. It's not just about telling time, it's also about adding a subtle design element that complements the rest of your minimalist decor. Finally, embrace the power of empty space. Yes, you heard that right. Sometimes what you choose not to put on your walls says just as much as what you do. Allow for some blank space to give your decorated walls room to really stand out. So there you have it. 5 minimalist decor ideas that are sure to elevate the elegance of your home. Remember, it's all about choosing the right elements and keeping everything harmonious and balanced. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon for more home decor tips and tricks. See you next time.